Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck
You realize you're recording already. Whoa, okay.
Ooh.
Dervish slimes. Twist turns out all day, spirals all night.
Great.
So it sounds like another one too, for less.
So that looks like the tangled slime.
Yeah.
So we need that too. Great. Which spell? Or something.
Yeah, fucking fire's falling from the sky.
Why the hell did you do that? Well, we now know what the dervish does.
Are you?
I don't know. Oh wait, go! Shoot it! Go on, move on. Oh, what the hell? What?
Mosaic slime. Ow! Get back here. Let me out. Silver Park. What the fuck?
I don't know.
Prickle pear. Hey, that's Pokemon
Yeah.
Go reference for you.
Yeah, there you go.
No, because I won't have enough for the other one. Pork like out of here. Can wait.
Okay, do you know how much flourish we probably have? I think it's hungry.
Have a fruit.
What the fuck? Stay out of the red.
Good shit. Put the internet on.
Don't.
You can have all those heartbeats you want, so I can get another slime. What the fuck?
What'd you do? Wait, you can transfer one of those over there. Feed it a dervish slime. Feed it. You're out of space. Just feed it one of the only dervish thing that you have, and then transfer it over.
Can we go for this one that's hiding in the corner?
Right, move it over. Move it over. There you go.
I guess phosphorus. That's 50, and I can't take any more really pink quartz.
Now we get to see how much is mosaic slimes. So, and I think we're gonna have enough pink plorts. You think?
It's a pretty good set of episodes. Must steal some of those chickens to go back there, but
Why?
defeat that one slime.
Oh, yeah. You're gonna go to your right, so you can... We should probably give the dervish his toy.
80.
Let's go. Come on. And I would start grabbing the other plorts so you can make a little bit more. At least ones that are actually worth it. Or just grab the phosphor.
I'm grabbing anything that's close to full.
Probably all are gonna be full.
Why do we get rid of some of these boom slimes?
Come on, you know you enjoy it. Well, fine. We'll do one episode just dedicated just to getting rid of stuff. How about that? We'll dedicate one episode to getting rid of stuff. What? Well, we made our money back, and now you can upgrade those things to max.
Only one of that set doubled. One of that set doubled.
She's being fucking stingy. Why is she being fucking stingy?
Before I go do anything, I'm gonna go deposit these pink plorts so I have an extra slot.
Why?
Oh, hello. Hey, honey slimes here? Thank you. We need those for the,
Advanced apiary.
yeah.
Ah, shit. We're definitely gonna just have to get a bunch of those robots.
Yeah, because they can each only do one thing.
What?
They can each only do one thing.
Wait, can they deposit and collect the ports? Or just collect?
I don't know.
Or can they even collect the ports?
I hope they can. That'd save us so much fucking time.
Yeah, we just walk up to them. I would grab those.
I'm gonna get 50, toss them in there, and not care.
Do we even need those?
I don't know. But there's gonna be 50 in there at least.
Okay, make them advanced apiary. I wish they just stacked all the way. Like, if you finish one stack, it goes on to the next stack. Why do we have so much shit?
How much left of that? 9.
9.
What about this one? 48. Okay, you get another 50. Fuck you. I'm not walking back here. You wanna know which ones I'm really terrified to see now? The quantum slimes.
Yay! You're gonna have to feed those bastards. And I would go in there with a full inventory. And a partial. And you're going in there with a partial. So, no, not bad. Well,
37, 37.
oh, this thing is shit. We need to sell these. Why can't we sell the slimes? Won't those give us more money?
I guess I'll take... No, we need the phosphor over in the thing.
Oh, yeah. Forgot.
Let's shove everything else in there.
Do we even need red slimes? Red ports?
We could probably do for something.
Something. I should be able to make another one. Yeah, there we go. What takes these? Quantum?
No, quantums. Why do we have another chicken coop back here?
Because we were gonna make it into an actual chicken coop, but then...
What's over there, by the way?
We have too much shit. That's what we need. That's what we... No, we just need to get the... Like, we honestly just need, like, a couple trees, a couple plots of fruit and veggies, and that's it. We don't need all the ones that we have. That's everything.
So they can have those heartbeats. The rest of them I don't get too fussed about, so.
Why? There's another tree up there. Quantum tree.
Did we actually find one of those?
Yeah. Wait, are one of them out? Oh, thank God. Sorry, I don't want to have to deal with that again. And there we go.
Yeah, just come down here and finish my quantum stack.
Were you gonna sell this?
Yeah.
Why not?
Well, the one I'm not gonna really touch those pinks.
Seems like we've run out of those way too quick. Well, we shouldn't anymore since what? We have 1, 2, 3 here. Like we have like 4.
For the ones that are most full. Seriously, we have 3 bloom slimes in this one area.
On those rocks. Oh my.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 2 on that one. 1. 1 on that one. This is death right now.
Why?
Why is there a chicken in there?
He's their buddy, okay?
He's probably gonna kill me.
Can't even keep up with the machine. Oh my. You need it. You need it. Jesus. You need to do it again. You know how, like, the hard thing was when we started this? Like, we didn't have any money.
Well, see, then later on it does take money. It takes fucking, plorts.
Yup. Wow, those don't really sell for much anymore. Oh well. Oh, you have like 3 or 4 more loads of that? Probably like 2. Well, now you have 18,000. You know, if we probably slept for an entire day, shit would go all over the place. Ow. Sweet, you finally finished it.
Okay.
Only 34 minutes.
Fuck our lives on this one.
Wait, did you even give them food down there? Wait, they're fruit and veggie, right?
I have no idea what those ones are.
Start grabbing fruit. Yeah, it's because you mix them with dervish. Yeah, down there are fruit and veggie, so.
You can't hide from me.
I would start grabbing just a bunch of fruit.
I already fed the ones down there, Cody.
Well, now you can put their thing on them maxed. So you don't have to worry about the plorts or anything like that. If you bring a set of 50, you split it 25-25. Multitasking. Your inventory's you have carrot. Mango. I like how we said we wanted a mint mango, and then we connected all the upgrades to it. Now we have too many mint mangoes.
But we have 2 of them, by the way.
Yeah, we do, don't we? Set that thing to low.
Fuck, they're veggie.
Give the dervish, fill up the dervish with their food thing. I would set that to low. Low, not high. Yeah, now just grab all like, yeah, just feed all them dervish, and then... Now put them in the other corral. Other corral. Put them in the other corral. What are you doing? Why don't you just put them in the other corral?
Duh. Okay. They're like boob slides. Hate them.
I would put them in the other corral, by the way.
Why?
so they're all in one corral, and so we could put like something else in here.
Well, we don't have anything else to put in here yet, so.
Okay.
If I really want cinnamon, all I would do is this.
That's gonna be a lot of fucking dervish. Well, guess you can feed all of them. Well, we now have a bunch of dervish.
And mosaic.
And mosaic lords. So, we bag farmers. What? Or are you just gonna sell them?
Yeah. I know dervish jumped out of my
Check the other.
Yeah, this one should have some mosaics.
Yeah, there you go.
Where are you fucking going?
Don't worry about them. Just go. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, that's really worth my time. A tangled port, a fucking...
That's not a tangled port. Those are tangled slimes.
Well, tangled slimes. Boom slimes and mosaic slime to get tabby ports. Hey, if I want tabby ports, I have to go this way anyways. I can literally grab them right here.
Yeah. True. Alright, Cyrus, we'll meet you over there. And...
On there?
Very smart. Meet you over at the portal. Portal.
What portal? Oh.
To get into the other realm. Well, I don't think we're gonna run low on pinks anymore. Pink plorts anymore. I think that's gonna be enough. You don't need more. Alright, let's go. Throwing dumb faults for in their other people's shit. For their own shit, or whatever. It's 2, right? That'd be funny if you only have to give them 2 more. I'm pretty sure that's enough. That's the portal.
We have that teleporter?
I don't even know where that teleporter is.
It's on the side of our thing.
Oh. Rip. Oh well.
Hello. Twitch. Go fuck yourself. And this is Mos Blinker, right?
Yep. Follow the path. Follow the path. Follow the excrement. So technically, you can make enough apiaries. You can make enough apiaries to fill up the entire map.
So I'm gonna come back in 12 minutes, got it.
Isn't that true? Wrong one. To your right. Behind you. Behind you. There you go. Couldn't you technically do that? Start at one end of the map, work your way to the other end, and then do the same thing. Rinse and repeat until you fill up the entire map. You have to go all the way through.
Well, wish me luck from not dying.
Oh, don't die.
Because there's a lot of chickens to lose.
Don't fuck up. To your right.
So just straight this way.
Or just go to your right, go to your left, go straight. And jump across all the platforms. Well, if you're smart, you go to the closest edge.
Go fuck yourself.
Isn't this so much easier than going around the long way? Alright, now get on this ledge right over to your right. To your right. Get it on the ledge.
I'm gonna chop you so hard, it's not funny.
To your right, not your left. But whatever. Now you have to jump all the way over there.
There's a wall there.
You can make it to that ledge, because I've already done it. What are you doing?
That has a door that's blocked.
There's a thing that you can step on over there that can get you up. That's how I got on the other side without opening up the door. Now you're further away.
I'm gonna flick you like a dog.
Bring it.
Or I'll hit you, then that's one of the two.
Why? You would have already been across with my plan. You can make the jump. Just get KO'd right now. Hit the ground. That would be funny. You say, oh yeah, there's no fun. Dead. Fuck. Yay. Sweet. Let's go, boy. What's it?
We're still at just 45 minutes.
Yeah, I think after we fill up this, these ones are going to be a little bit shorter than the other ones.
sure I don't step back in the portal because I'd rather not just go back and forth, back and forth.
Oh, come on, why not? Wait, that crystal just moved?
The fuck are you smoking?
Thought the crystals just moved.
Now I wonder if this is going to be a teleporter or is this going to give us a key? If
Oh, if it's a teleporter, yay. We get a teleport straight here.
No, I'm saying it's going to teleport somewhere else.
And that'll be fucked.
And then, again, already. Are you fucking joking me? I just fucking got here. Well, if it's a key, we know where a door is.
Yep, that is true.
You're coming here, boys. And it's teleported. I want you guys. Oh.
Grab that. That's what the lava things are for. Just run. Run through it.
1 second.
Be a man.
Where's that ancient water at? Jeez, now the mosaics spawn.
Yep. Okay, you go.
Oh yeah, it's down lower.
Yep. Alright. You just gotta go. There you go. Look around, don't just stand here. Well, yeah, I think there's another one.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Well, there's sprinkle pairs. The fuck did I see? I heard like a cat.
Yeah.
Alright.
Behind you now.
Jesus, it gives you 50 water for completing those.
Yeah. I think you don't have to throw it away. I think you just can run there and then it'll just replace the normal water with the ancient water.
Let's see.
Oh, we got a prickle pear.
Oh yeah, that didn't open a key, so we'll wonder where that...
But there you go.
Okay. So it's to the right after I leave the building?
Yep. Already, there's a...
What's that? Get spawn in.
Dervish and mosaic.
That's not Dervish, it's Tangled.
I'm tangled, not dervish, yeah. Alright.
Where's this lead?
Back here.
Cool.
Cool.
Okay, before we put this fire slime down, where does it have to be on?
Died Ash. We need to get Ash Ketchum. I think it did to put in the lava thing that we have. Haven't you looked at it yet? Okay, go make a thingy.
A what?
A thingy. Yeah.
What, incinerator?
Yeah, that.
Do we have a spot for it?
Oh. If all else fails, we'll just replace one. Yeah, just replace that right there. Just not that. Don't get rid of that. Don't demolish that.
Yeah, we just found on the other one.
Demolish that.
Okay. I'd rather you not start everything on fucking fire.
Probably take their diet.
What, the fire slimes?
You know, the tangled slime.
Meat.
Thank God there's no meat down here.
Welcome to our world.
No, that's probably a good thing. Probably want to get to whatever's in their feeder out. I'm pretty sure everything in here takes it. What are we gonna mix them with? You pick. You pick this one.
Okay, second one. What is their favorite food?
Sweet.
There's so much slime right here.
Oh. Do we have every other slime?
So Dervish is... Oh, pain in the hand. Hey, we have to unlock it. So there's just a silver parsnip.
Oh wait, okay.
Yep,
Okay. I'm like, oh don't! You don't have food in there.
Would you guys take food? I don't know why I could have put an auto collector on this. Or an auto feeder on this one, the least deadly thing in the fucking planet.
Oh.
So now let's see if I can't make some moss blankets, see if what those apiaries got.
Well, check the one here. Check the one here.
Boom.
You know there's one at our base, right? That you need to collect. I would honestly say let's make teleporters so we don't have to even walk this far. We make a teleport from our base all the way to the ancient ruins.
Well, I'd probably just make it one to each spot and just make sure.
I only think you only can make one teleporter.
Oh, there's like 12 different colors, so.
Where is that? Alright.
Oh, they're still harvesting. Another
Minute and 34.
Okay, so I can hang around here for that long.
Do we have anything to do in this place?
Not really. If I could just have
Ooh, get hens. Get chickens. Wait, did you feed the dervish?
They have an auto feeder, Cody.
Did you give them their food?
Yeah.
Not the dervish. The tangled.
No. They can't get out, so.
That's what you think.
The only reason why I'm not going to collect hens or something,
Why?
because we don't know what.
I think it wants to eat.
We don't know what's going to come out of these. Because it could give us 4 different things.
True.
Get out of here. Look at all the puddle ports.
We still haven't done that. Made a puddle. Well, there is a puddle inside that area.
Yeah, you just put. That's why I did on my stream world.
Ah.
Because you can't create pawns or anything, so.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't.
Not anymore?
No.
20. 19. They're dead. They're dead. They're done.
Wild honey.
Told you.
You didn't say anything.
Yeah, I did. Last time we recorded, I said maybe you should try where the honey spawn.
Hey, Cody.
What? We have enough to make the. Yeah, let's do it.
I guess that's where we'll end. And why'd you have to hit me straight on the tit? He wants me to, like, stab him.
Stabby, stabby. Pokey, pokey. Trick, huh? You know you could have just been out of the portal already. You know, like, you could have just followed the path and there's a portal right there.
There it is.
No, not a portal over here. If you went up to the ancient ruins, there's a portal as soon as you get in there, I'm pretty sure.
No, it's at the end.
Oh.
Where the door is to the other place. Now there's an exit.
Yeah, no, there's an exit.
There's another Gordo.
Yeah, that's another dancing girl, it looks like.
It's this way.
I guess that's one thing we'll be doing. Gordo dancing next time. We will end once we build the drone.
And choose what it's gonna do. And see what it can do.
That would be funny if we could do everything.
If it can, then fucking hell, it saves our life.
Just like, but... Oh no. Oh well. Go!
Cody's now just hoping I just don't fall off an edge somewhere.
Please don't.
Oh! Where's Carl?
Carl! Awkward silence now.
Just waiting for the fucking energy to regen.
I like how we have so much shit over here. We need to organize that. Or we can put it all in one stack. Could be interesting.
Bum bum bum.
Beeswax. The drone! What does it do? Now we still need 5 more wild honey. Alright. See where you can place it.
I'm gonna place it in our area where probably it's more needed than anything.
Yeah. What does it do? Like, do we actually have to program to do stuff?
Ow!
Alright. See where you can place it. Right there. Pick up gadgets? You have to probably get out of the thing. Probably have to get out of the builder. Wait, right there. Press X. Target.
Don't tell you.
Oh fuck. Oh no.
What should we do? Have it do?
What,
boom ports?
Yeah, I guess.
Or crystal plorts.
Let's do bloom plorts to see how just this thing works. Targets. Wait, plorts? Wait, what happens if you click on the plorts?
Source.
Corrals. Deposit into...
Oh, well, we can actually go straight to the refinery or the port market. Port market.
Activate. Are you gonna work? We just have to bring plorts to it? I think we actually have to... Okay, click on it. I mean, throw a plort out. Yep. Throw a plort at the sign. No, throw a plort at this. There.
Maybe if it's only if we're gone. If we see our money going up, then we'll see.
Oh wait, no, sleep. Maybe that's what it's used for. Go to sleep and see if it works.
Okay, let's see if actually moving around and all that.
That would be cool. Oh wait, still it? Still it. Work.
Oh, okay.
Drone.
So I wouldn't have been able to send it to the refinery.
Why? One ranch. Wait, only. Why can't you send it to the refinery? Target corrals. Oh no! Wait, no! Don't click on. We're done. Go back. Get out of the corrals and go into port collector. Now send it to the refinery. I mean, there we go. Pretty sure. Yep. So I think it just roams around. Alright, now just follow it around. Follow it around.
Where's that?
Where's it at? It saw it move. It's right there.
Is he gonna go like and find every lava port? Royal jelly.
Where's it at? Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, it's going. So it'll go through it. So it'll collect like all one port thing.
Wait, so we only can have one per ranch? Read the thing what it says. Because I'm pretty sure that's what it said.
One ranch expansion in one ranch expansion. So it can only operate here.
Yo.
So we need 5 altogether.
At least we know how to get everything now.
Yeah.
Sweet. Now it'll just go around. It'll basically. Wait. Oh shit. Should we set the actually that? The floor collection is actually more important. We can feed them. We can feed the little bastards. So yeah. There we go. Well, hopefully you guys like these episodes. It was fun to make, and talk to you guys next time. Bye bye.